Okay, I tried replacing the chain tensioner, even with the brand new one. The chain was still loose, still pretty slack. So I'm assuming then it's probably having to do with this guide. I took the cylinder head off. Here's the guide, and it has a lot of free play in it. I'm not sure if this is normal, if that's the way it's supposed to be or not. When it comes out, it's in one piece, but there's a lot of free play. Try to do this because I'm holding the camera. There's a lot of wiggle to it, and there's like a well-worn circular pattern from the tensioner, and the sides seem kind of bowed out like it's been buckled. And then I don't know if that's a normal amount of wear because I don't have a new one to compare it to. I'm going to order a new one, but I'm assuming this is probably it. I'm not sure if I also need a new chain. That's something to determine. But based on this, I don't think this is the way it's supposed to be, because it can rattle from side to side while the engine's running, which, yeah, I'm assuming could be the source of that noise.